In this video, we will show you how to reset Hostinger account. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So, let's begin. So, in case you have forgotten your account password and you are not using the social login method, you can reset your password via email, and you have two alternative methods that we are going to explore today, alright? So option 1 is through the login page. Open the login page for the Hostinger website right here. Click on that. And the link will work for your accounts regardless on which Hostinger brand you choose, right? Next is click on forget password below the login form right here. In the next screen, enter the email address you used to register at Hostinger and click send reset email. And the password reset link will be sent to your email. And of course, you make sure that you still have access to that email you have entered, right? And the option 2 is through the reset password page. You can access the form to submit directly from the following link. All I'm going to do is click on this one right here. And once there, enter the email address associated with your Hostinger account and click send reset email. A password reset link will be sent to your email. And the links above work for all Hostinger brands, again, regardless of the Hostinger site where your account was created. For example, hostinger.in, hostinger.co.uk, right? And if you're wondering when will the email arrive, in most cases you will receive the password link, recent link in a few minutes. However, it can land in your spam, so updates or other inboxes, so make sure to check them all. In rare cases, the password reset email might be delayed by your email provider, so we recommend waiting up until 1 hour before trying to reset the password again. Now, if you have requested a password reset several times, make sure to use the link from the latest email you receive, as each new request overrides the previous one, alright? Now, if you want resetting the password for social login accounts, right? Say for example, you are using social login method to access your accounts such as Google, Facebook, or GitHub. The forget password option will not send you a password reset link, alright? Since you are using your social account details. In case you forgot your social login credentials, make sure to follow the instructions of the social platform to recover your account. Or of course, you can contact their support area directly for further assistance. It's the same thing as well. You can contact the Hostinger support team and tell them you are having problems resetting your account here in Hostinger. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.